Collections are basically folders that allow you to organize your links from your extension into more useful groups. So if we head over to the new collections tab that you'll notice in your extension, you'll see whatever collections that you've created before in the past. You can use those collections to actually group together links by function, by team, by project, by time in the employee lifecycle. So right now we can take a quick look at the extension collection, and this lets me basically group together all of the files and all the links that are super relevant to the extension project. And if I decide perhaps that I want to create a new collection, I can just come over here, or I can find the link itself and add it to a new collection, but I can come and I can change the emoji. So, we'll do a thumbs up, change the color, and we're going to call this onboarding. And we'll save that. And now we've got a new collection called onboarding. But if I go here and start searching, I can actually search for your first week at Acme Corp. And that's a new presentation that we've put together for the new people joining the team. I can actually go and I can add that to the onboarding collection so that I can actually have just one place to share all the new information for new employees. If I search for our employee handbook, I can jump in there and I can add that to the collection as well. And I can take a quick note that we call welcome to the team, and I can add that to the onboarding collection as well. So that's now our sample onboarding collection. If I search over here in collections again, and I pop this open, we see that now all of those links have been added to that collection. Now I can go and I can share this with the new teammates, and they'll be all spun up on how to ramp into the company. So that's collections. We hope that you guys use that to create more organized experience within your extension and a great collection of links and files for your teammates.